welcome back to Pabbly. Today I'll show you how we're going to add a new lead from Google into our system.io. So to do this, I've opened the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect. So if you are an existing user like me, directly log in inside Pabbly Connect and open your workflow builder. But if you are a new user, you're going to get the Pabbly Connect's landing page URL in the description box below. Go on that URL. In the top right corner, you're going to get the option of sign up for free. So click on sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. And then come log in inside Pabbly Connect and open your workflow builder. So this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for Google Ads. So let's search for Google Ads and select it. For the event, we have to select new lead form entry and click on this connect. Now we have received this webhook URL, so simply copy this webhook URL and open your Google Ads campaign. Alright, so as you can see that my campaign is in draft mode and this is the campaign in which I've added the lead form. Not only added the lead form, but I've also selected the details which I want to collect from this lead form over here. Now after doing this, what you have to do is you have to scroll and go to this lead delivery option. For the webhook URL, you have to paste the URL which you copied from the workflow. After pasting this URL, you have to enter a key over here and click on this send test data. It is saying test data sent. So let's open our workflow and Pabbly is going to capture this webhook response. As you can see, it has successfully captured this webhook response. This is the successful proof, or you can say the proof of the successful connection between Google Ads and Pabbly Connect. Now we have captured the details which are the test details, but I am running a draft campaign. That's the reason that I'm going to create this automation using these test details only. But if you are running live campaign, what you can do is you can click on this recapture webhook response and wait till you receive a new lead from Google Ads. But if you wish, you can definitely create this amazing automation using the test details and it is going to run for your live lead details too. Alright, with this we have completed this trigger. Now let's move on further. What we're going to do is we're going to create a new contact over here in system.io. So let's click on this add new action step and search for the action application which is system.io. So let's search for system.io and select it. For the event, we have to select it as create contact and click on this connect. So now if you have already created a connection between system.io and Pabbly Connect, click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and it is asking me for the API key and the domain. So how you can get this? So to get this API key, first of all, open your system.io account, go towards this profile and then towards this settings. Once you come on this settings, from the left end of the site, you have to go towards this public API keys. And now after coming on this public API keys, you have to scroll and what you have to do is you have to create a key. So I've already created two keys, so I can't create more. So let's say I'm going to delete the previous one and I'm going to create a new key by clicking on this create button. I'm going to name my key. Let's say I'm going to name my key as testing. If you wish, you can definitely select the date of the expiration. Otherwise, you can keep it as blank and click on this save and your key will be created. Now copy this key and paste it in your workflow. And now after adding this API key, if you don't have this domain pre-selected, you can get it from your system.io account. After entering both of these details, we have to click on this button which says save, and once we click on this save, our system.io account is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now let's create a new contact over here. For that, we have to enter the details, but we are not going to enter the details manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and change with every new response received. So we are only going to map the details which are required or the details which I wish to fill in. So this email address is only required. The rest of the details I've entered because I had these details of my lead. It totally depends upon you what details you want to enter apart from this email address. So yes, now after entering all of these details, let's click on this save and send test request. But before clicking on the save and send test test request. Now I'm going to replace this dummy email with an original email so that I can show you the response and the contact created. So over here, if you're using live lead details, you can ignore replacing this. You have to map it only. Now let's move on further, and now we have to click on this save and send test request. And once we click on this save and send test request, you're going to see that we have received the positive response that we have successfully created a new contact. So let's open our system.io, and I'm going to go back towards this CRM and then contacts. And once we come on this contacts, you're going to see the contact has been created. You're going to see all the details which are added. You're going to see the email address, the first name, the last name, and the phone number too. And yes, with this we have successfully completed our workflow. Now whenever we're going to receive a new lead from entry from Google Ads, automatically a new contact will be created in system.io. All of this is going to happen in backend. We don't have to come back in again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. So yes, now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.